People that are good candidates for neurotization, meaning plugging the nerves that naturally go through the breast into where we inset the free nipple graft. So good candidates for that procedure are folks who it's really a very high priority that they regain as much sensation of their nipple as possible. It does add significant length to the operative time and complexity. We have a great partner in Dr. Zeev Peled who does our nipple neurotization here. And so definitely it's something that we can accommodate, but it really should be a strong priority if we're gonna do that. As far as timing, in 3 to 6 months, you're starting to get some of that sensation back, and this happens at variable rates. It can take up to a year or more to regain the kind of maximal sensation that you can expect. But again, everyone's a little bit different.